Mistplay coins are converted into rewards inside the Mistplay app, but the value depends on the available reward options shown in your account. By the end, you'll know how Mistplay coins work, how to check their value, and the steps to redeem your rewards correctly. Mistplay does not work like a normal cash balance where every coin has a fixed cash value you can manually calculate. Instead, your coins are used to unlock available rewards inside the app. To check your current coin balance, open the Mistplay app and go to your account or rewards section. The app shows your available coins and the redemption options you can choose from. The first step is earning enough coins through Mistplay activities. These activities usually involve playing supported games through the app. Your progress and available rewards depend on what Mistplay shows in your account. When you have enough coins, open the reward section and review the available gift cards or other redemption choices. Select the reward you want and follow the instructions provided by Mistplay. If your coins do not appear or your balance looks incorrect, refresh the app first. Close Mistplay completely, reopen it, and check your account again. You should also make sure you are using the latest version of Mistplay. An outdated app version can cause display problems with balances or rewards. If a reward redemption does not go through, check that your account information is correct and that you are following the redemption steps shown inside the app. Keep in mind that Mistplay reward availability can vary by account and location. The rewards you see may not be identical to what another user sees. The easiest way to avoid confusion is to check the rewards page directly in your Mistplay app instead of relying on outside coin conversion charts. The app shows the redemption choices available for your account. To summarize, Mistplay coins are used for redeeming rewards inside the app. The exact value depends on the available reward options, and the rewards page is the best place to check your current conversion options. Open Mistplay, check your rewards section, and review the available redemptions before spending your coins. Subscribe for more Mistplay guides, reward app explanations, and troubleshooting tips.